Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like, share. Thanks. Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss some important solved problems from network theory. Okay. We come to the first problem. See here, in this problem, what is the resonant frequency for the given circuit? So we know that resonant frequency is nothing but FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. Okay. From the circuit diagram, capacitance is given as 2 farads, but here two inductors are there. They are magnetic coupled to each other, and with mutual inductance is 1 Henry. So what is the mutual inductance means? Whenever any two or more inductors are physically contacted to each other, due to this, the current flow in the inductors will develop some mutual inductance between these two inductors. That is called as the mutual inductance. Okay, but here for this 2 Henry, for this inductor, the polarity is on left hand side. For this inductor, the polarity is on right hand side. So the resultant inductance will be defined as L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2 into mutual inductance. So here mutual inductance is given as 1 Henry is there. So L1 is 2 Henry plus 2 Henry minus 2 into 1 Henry. So we get 2 Henry is the L equivalent. Here L means L equivalent. Now we have capacitance C is 2 farads and L equivalent is 2 Henry. Substitute these two values in this equation, then we get FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root of 2 into 2. That's equal to 1 by 4 pi. So this is the resonant frequency for the given circuit. So from the options 1 by 4 pi Hz. So this is the resonant frequency for the circuit. Next problem. See here, in this problem, a series RL circuit is given. For the series RL circuit, the resonant frequency is given as 10 power 5 and quality factor is equal to 50 and the resistance is given as 4 ohms. Then what is the value of the capacitor? So if you know the quality factor formula, the function of resistor and capacitor and resonant frequency, then we can easily calculate the capacitance. So let's see here, the quality factor for the series RL circuit is Q is equal to omega naught L by R or 1 by omega naught CR. So this is in terms of inductor and this is in terms of capacitance. So for the calculating the quality factor. So here we know that quality factor is given, resonant frequency is given and resistance is given. Substitute here, then we get 50 is equal to 1 by 10 power 5, that is resonant frequency into C into R is given as 400 ohms. Okay. Now by simplifying this, we get 1 by 10 power 5 into 400 into 50. That's equal to 500 picofarads. So for this given data, the capacitance of the capacitor is 500 picofarads. So from the option C is the correct answer. Next problem. Let's see here in this problem, the maximum power that a 12 volts DC source with an internal resistance of 2 ohm can supply to a certain load, that is RL. Okay, what is the maximum power? So let's the diagram will be like this. So here 12 volts source is there and with internal resistance is 2 ohm. Okay, this is the load resistance. So what is the maximum power transfer to the load RL? So according to maximum power transfer theorem, whenever the load resistance equal to the Thevenin's resistance. Thevenin's resistance means this is. So here the Thevenin's resistance is equal to 2 ohms. So whenever load resistance is equal to 2 ohms, then maximum power is transferred to the load resistance. So that is the P maximum is equal to VTH square by 4 RL. So this is the Thevenin's voltage and this is the Thevenin's resistance. So RL is equal to RTH. So then RL is equal to 2 ohms. Okay. So now substitute here 12 square divided by 4 into So RL is equal to RTH, that is 2. 144 divided by 8, that's equal to 18 watts. So whenever the load resistance is equal to the Thevenin resistance, that is 2 ohms, then the maximum power is transferred to the load according to maximum transfer theorem. So that is 18 watts for the given circuit. So from the options, option D is the correct answer. Okay, come to the next problem. See here, in this problem, for the below circuit, the value of the load R to absorb the maximum power. For what R value means what is that resistance value? So here a signal is question is given EM into cos of 10t, and with resistance and one inductor is there. So here the load will absorb maximum power whenever it equal to Thevenin resistance. So at the Thevenin resistance, one reactive element is there. So first of all, we need to find the Thevenin resistance. So Thevenin resistance is equal to or impedance. So here reactive element is there, that's why impedance. That impedance is equal to capital R plus J into XL minus XC. So this is the impedance formula. So but here capacitive reactance element is 0. Only XL inductor is given. So then Z is equal to R plus J into XL. Here capacitive element is nothing. So capacitive reactance is 0. Now R is given as 10 ohms plus J into XL. XL means omega L. Okay, that equal to 10 ohms plus J into, so the omega we get from cos of omega t. So omega is equal to 10. So inductor value is given as 1 Henry. So into 1, that's equal to 10 ohm plus J into 10. So for this magnitude, that is nothing but Thevenin's resistance. So RTH is equal to root of 10 square plus 10 square, that's equal to 10 into root 2. Root 2 value you know that 10 into 1.414, that is nothing but 14.14 ohms. So the maximum power transfer will take place, the load resistance is equal to RTH, that is 14.14 ohms. So whenever the load resistance is 14.14 ohms, then maximum power taking place. So from the options, option is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.